offer ending soon. Use a B2A07 code to get $7 off discount plus get 3 bonuses free. How we went from newbie to generating thousands of dollar affiliate commissions with ClickBank and WarriorPlus 2021. 44 high-quality video classes. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Proven fresh method to increase sales. This guide will walk you through every new and fresh method to get high sales. Beginner friendly. We went from struggling newbie to super affiliate at record speed. See below. One-time payment, no upgrade. We offering you learn basic to advanced affiliate marketing secrets with affordable price and damp. One-time payment. AFFI 2A. Our AFFI 2A Basic to Advanced Affiliate Marketing Video Course Package comes with a special 7-day 100% money-back guarantee as well. Why you need to purchase AFFI 2A? We're Chris and Damp. Soggle. We went from raw beginner and to powerful multi-million-dollar generating super affiliate in less than a year. And today we're here ready to teach you our affiliate marketing success secrets. Open letter from Chris and Damp. Pradeep Soggle. Meet Soggle, an affiliate newbie who finally escaped the single quote 9-5 rat race and generated $1,493,482.70 affiliate commission in 2021. These are Soggle personal results. A struggling frustrated newbie to generating consistent $5,000 minus $10,000 days affiliate marketing on ClickBank. All by selling super, simple digital products as an affiliate. Ignore the social media fake it till you make it attitude. Screw the lambo of starting and testing new ClickBank campaigns. I do $1,000 minus $2,000 day. How does that sound? AFFI 2A. Money buys you freedom. Escape the rat race. Imagine not having to submit your life to the grind of the dreaded rat race. Working a 9-5 till the day you die. Take the morning off. Want to lie in bed? Take the morning off and just go for a morning coffee in the sunshine. You can do that. See your kids grow up. Imagine getting to see your kids grow up in their youngest years and not missing those most important moments. Look after your health. Imagine having money for healthcare for your family and loved ones. Choice of freedom. Imagine choosing to do what you want. When you want, marketing is the easiest way to make profits online. Forget about the hassles, risk and damp costs of where you rely on unknown suppliers to fulfill orders for you. Dropshipping. Affiliate marketing is truly your golden ticket into making a full-time income online without the cost or the hassle. With that being said, here are some affiliate marketing statistics that will surely blow your mind away. Paid ads. Forking out thousands on traffic with zero guarantees of results. Spending hours per day dealing with support tickets, questions and damp refund requests. Customer support. Just hoping you can sell it without losing money. Buying and damp storing inventory. By looking at these affiliate marketing statistics, you would definitely know the power of affiliate marketing. Also, with everything going on in the world right now, we take pride in presenting AFFI 2A video course. HD training videos L pandemic proof profit solution L affordable price. Uncover the closely guarded secret to instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hotshot affiliate marketer and see boatload of commissions flowing into your bank account. AFFI 2A. All-in-one HD video training to get started and damp make game-changing commissions with affiliate marketing. A complete, step-by-step video training encompassing everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing, generate new leads and damp massive affiliate commissions every single day. And to help you get started, you'll get 14 chapters of step-by-step training videos that will show you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business and damp run it profitably online for the long term. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Inside you'll get Chapter 1 – What is affiliate marketing? Chapter 2 – WarriorPlus overview. Chapter 3 – JVZoo overview. Chapter 4 – ClickBank overview. Chapter 5 – How to find affiliate products in any niche. Chapter 6 – How to choose best affiliate offers. Chapter 7 – How to promote products on WarriorPlus. Chapter 8 – How to promote products on JVZoo. Chapter 9 – How to promote products on ClickBank. Chapter 11 – How to find bonuses for affiliate offers. Chapter 10 – Best-selling niches on ClickBank. Chapter 12 – How to use CB Engine. Chapter 14 – How to do niche research for your Amazon affiliate blog. Chapter 13 – How to promote products on Amazon. Module number 1 – Step-by-step training videos. Module number 2 – 30 step-by-step training videos. You'll get 30 chapters of step-by-step training videos which are the continuation videos of the basic package and will show you exactly how to take your affiliate marketing business off the ground and start generating life-changing income. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered everything we think you need to know. Inside you'll get Chapter 16 – How to find low competition keywords for your affiliate blog. Chapter 19 – The Versus site model to promote affiliate offers. Chapter 22 – How to make your site fast. Chapter 25 – How to promote affiliate offers with alternatives post. Chapter 28 – How to use review plugin on your site. Chapter 31 – How to promote affiliate offers using YouTube. Chapter 34 – How to register on Quora. Chapter 37 – How to use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. Chapter 40 – How to create Pinterest account. Chapter 43 – How to find related forum to promote affiliate offers. Chapter 15 – How to do keyword research for Amazon affiliate blog. Chapter 17 – How to find best domain name ideas. Chapter 18 – The niche site model for Amazon affiliate blog. Chapter 20 – The alternative site model to promote affiliate offers. Chapter 23 – How to write your product review article. Chapter 21 – How to promote digital product with review blog model. Chapter 26 – How to promote affiliate offers with Versus method. Chapter 24 – How to promote affiliate offers with comparison technique. Chapter 29 – How to find guest posting in any niche for backlink. Chapter 27 – What plugins should you install for your review model site. Chapter 32 – How to use Google Sites to promote affiliate offers. Chapter 30 – How to promote affiliate offers using Facebook fan page. Chapter 35 – How to find the best questions. Chapter 33 – How to use Quora to drive traffic. Chapter 38 – How to promote affiliate offers using Google Site. Chapter 36 – How to post best answer. Chapter 39 – How to drive traffic by using Pinterest. Chapter 41 – How to use Pinterest to promote affiliate offers. Chapter 44 – How to find the best solo ad services to promote affiliate offers. Chapter 42 – How to build list with free giveaway. With our AFFI B2A video course package, you get access to use our step-by-step tutorial videos to set up your own profit-pulling affiliate marketing business from scratch. You'll learn everything about getting started with affiliate marketing, like choosing the right niches and products, and getting traffic to making sales that can be the difference in a huge 6 or even 7-figure income and not making any money at all. So just use this incredible resource and reach the pinnacle of success. Click on the Buy Now button and grab your copy now. AFFI B2A. Bonus number 1. AFFI B2A Video Course Training Guide ebook. Introduction. What is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? Why should one become an affiliate marketer? What to do before becoming an affiliate marketer? How to do affiliate marketing on Amazon. The best and highly paid affiliate programs. Easy steps to find a profitable niche for affiliate marketing. 10 excellent affiliate marketing courses to learn. The common types of affiliate marketing channels. The pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Conclusion. Bonus number 2. Top resource report. Related videos. Supported tools. Useful training videos. Process guide. Related top blogs. Infographics. Bonus number 3. Training cheat sheet. How does affiliate marketing work? 3 things you must know before you become an affiliate market. A niche market could stand apart from others because of easy steps to find a profitable niche for affiliate marketing. What to look for in a good affiliate program. The best affiliate programs for beginners. Our B2A, Basic to Advanced Affiliate Marketing video course package comes with a special 7-day 100% money-back guarantee as well. We want you to be totally psyched about our products. If at any time within 7 days of purchasing, you are not 100% satisfied, you may return it to us for a refund. No questions asked. So there you have it. This HD video course was created not only to end the struggles that most newbies face when it comes to making consistent profits from affiliate marketing, but also as a go-to master tutorial for experienced affiliate marketers to stand out from the rest of the competition and to finally make a name for themselves in the world of online marketing. No more excuses. Just click on the link below and grab your B2A, Basic to Advanced Affiliate Marketing video course package at the lowest prices. Normal price $479 launch price. Only $37. Yes, I am eagerly waiting to buy this amazing HD video training to achieve my previous business success more rapidly. Please provide me my personal copy of a B2A, Basic to Advanced Affiliate Marketing course package so that I can have instant access to the complete video training for generating solid 7-figure affiliate income. Click here to join.